ACCUPLACER Health Professions Placement Test. Question 1. For a morning review, 6 tables each seat 15 learners, but 6 seats stay empty. How many learners are seated? Option A, 90. Option B, 84. Option C, 15. Option D, 96. The correct answer is option B, 84. Each table contributes 15 seats, so 6 tables provide 90 seats before subtracting the 6 empty seats. The other options confuse addition with multiplication or add the empty seats instead of removing them. Question 2. Multiply 3/4 by 3 to estimate the total number of practice sets completed in repeated sessions for review set 14. Option A, 15/4. Option B, 3/4. Option C, 9/4. Option D, 3/2. The correct answer is option C, 9/4. Multiplying a fraction by a whole number multiplies the numerator while keeping the denominator, which gives 9/4 after simplification. The distractors add the whole number, multiply both numerator and denominator, or change only part of the fraction incorrectly. Question 3. Calculate the total liters used if each practice station receives 2.4 liters of solution and 10 stations are prepared. Option A, 12.4. Option B, 26.4. Option C, 0.24. Option D, 24. The correct answer is option D, 24. The amount per station must be multiplied by the number of stations, so 2.4 times 10 equals 24 liters. The other choices add the values, divide them, shift the decimal, or use the wrong number of stations. Question 4. A timed drill rises from 60 completed items to 70. What is the percent increase to the nearest tenth? Option A, 16.7%. Option B, 116.7%. Option C, minus 14.3%. Option D, 10%. The correct answer is option A, 16.7%. Percent increase uses the change divided by the original value, then multiplied by 100, giving 16.7%. The incorrect answers use the new value as the comparison base, report only the raw change, or treat total percent as percent increase. Question 5. If one skill station should serve 5 candidates and 160 candidates attend, how many stations are needed before rounding up for logistics? Option A, 165. Option B, 32. Option C, 155. Option D, 0.03. The correct answer is option B, 32. The number of equal stations before rounding is the total candidates divided by candidates per station, giving 32. The other options add or subtract instead of forming a rate, invert the division, or round when the question asks before rounding. Question 6. Convert 135 minutes to hours for a study schedule calculation for review set 14. Option A, 8,100. Option B, 1.35. Option C, 2.25. Option D, 75. The correct answer is option C, 2.25. Minutes convert to hours by dividing by 60, giving 2.25 hours. The incorrect choices multiply, use a base 100 shortcut, subtract an hour, or add an unnecessary hour. Question 7. If x equals 3, evaluate x squared for a quantitative reasoning shortcut. Option A, 6. Option B, 5. Option C, 27. Option D, 9. The correct answer is option D, 9. Squaring means multiplying the value by itself, so 3 superscript 2 equals 3 times 3 equals 9. The incorrect choices double the value, add 2, cube the value, or overstate the square by 1. Question 8. A candidate has 140 questions to review, has finished 65, and splits the rest evenly over 8 days. How many per day? Option A, 9.38. Option B, 17.5. Option C, 8.12. Option D, 83. The correct answer is option A, 9.38. First subtract completed work from the total, then divide the remaining questions by the number of days, giving 9.38. The other choices divide the wrong amount or add days instead of distributing the workload. Question 9. Calculate the range for the completion times 13, 22, 16, and 18 minutes. Option A, 17.2. Option B, 9. Option C, 17. Option D, 22. The correct answer is option B, 9. The range is the maximum minus the minimum, so 22 to 13 equals 9. The other choices are the mean, median, maximum, or minimum rather than the spread. Question 10. If 17 of 28 checklist items are already mastered, what is the probability a randomly selected item still needs review? Option A, 17/28. Option B, 28/17. Option C, 11/28. Option D, 11/17. The correct answer is option C, 11/28. Items needing review are the total minus mastered items, placed over the total number of items, giving 11/28. The distractors use mastered items, invert the ratio, compare unfinished to mastered, or count only one item. Question 11. A line has a positive slope of 5. How should its values change as x increases by 1 for review set 14? Option A, decreases by 5 each step. Option B, stays constant. Option C, increases by 6 each step. Option D, increases by 5 each step. The correct answer is option D, increases by 5 each step. A positive slope means y rises as x increases, and a slope of 5 means the rise is 5 for each 1 unit increase in x. The other choices describe a negative, 0, incorrect, or nonlinear pattern. Question 12. Find the area of a rectangular study table that is 10 feet long and 10 feet wide. Option A, 100. Option B, 40. Option C, 20. Option D, 200. The correct answer is option A, 100. Area of a rectangle is length times width, so 10 times 10 equals 100 square feet. The other choices calculate perimeter, add dimensions, double the area, or subtract dimensions. Question 13. Select the best central idea of this statement. Regular practice works best when learners review errors instead of only counting correct answers. For review set 14. Option A, testing should be avoided whenever possible. Option B, effective preparation depends on studying mistakes, not just totals. Option C, only memorization matters in health programs. Option D, long study sessions always produce the best results. The correct answer is option B. Effective preparation depends on studying mistakes, not just totals. The central idea should summarize the whole statement without adding a new claim or narrowing the focus too much. The other choices either contradict the statement, exaggerate one detail, or introduce an idea that the sentence does not support. Question 14. Infer the most reasonable conclusion from this note. The instructor compared two answer explanations before approving a study resource. For review set 14. Option A. The note proves the student has already mastered every topic. Option B. The note rejects the value of organized review. Option C. Accuracy and reasoning matter when choosing prep materials. Option D. The note focuses only on memorizing answer letters. The correct answer is option C. Accuracy and reasoning matter when choosing prep materials. A reasonable inference must follow from the information given without stretching beyond it. The incorrect options are too absolute, contradict the note, or claim details that are not stated. Question 15. In an academic sentence about health program readiness, what does the word ambiguous most nearly mean for review set 14? Option A, proven by exact data. Option B, written with perfect grammar. Option C, arranged in time order. Option D, open to more than one meaning. The correct answer is option D, open to more than one meaning. The word ambiguous is used in academic contexts to mean open to more than one meaning. The other choices describe unrelated actions, opposite meanings, or features of writing that do not match the term. Question 16. Why would a writer likely uses a brief clinical example to explain a calculation for review set 14? Option A, to connect an abstract skill to a realistic setting. Option B, to distract readers from the main claim. Option C, to remove the need for supporting evidence. Option D, to make the paragraph less organized. The correct answer is option A, to connect an abstract skill to a realistic setting. A rhetorical choice should help the writer develop meaning, guide the reader, or support a claim. The incorrect options describe weak writing moves that would reduce clarity or relevance. Question 17. Combine these two ideas most accurately. Daily review improves retention, and reviewing mistakes helps target weak skills. For review set 14. Option A. Only the first idea matters for test preparation. Option B. A strong plan should combine daily practice with error review. Option C. The two ideas contradict each other completely. Option D. Neither idea can be used in academic preparation. The correct answer is option B. A strong plan should combine daily practice with error review. A synthesis should preserve both ideas and show the relationship between them. The incorrect choices ignore one idea, invent a contradiction, or draw an unsupported extreme conclusion. Question 18. Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement for review set 14. Option A. The group of nursing candidates review algebra together. Option B. The group of nursing candidates reviewing algebra together. Option C. The group of nursing candidates reviews algebra together. Option D. The group of nursing candidates are review algebra together. The correct answer is option C. The group of nursing candidates reviews algebra together. The verb must agree with the true subject, not with a nearby prepositional phrase or distracting noun. The incorrect choices use a verb form that does not match the subject or create an incomplete sentence. Question 19. Select the sentence with the clearest punctuation for review set 14. Option A. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option B. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option C. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option D. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. The correct answer is option D. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Correct punctuation shows how ideas are connected and prevents sentence confusion. The incorrect choices omit needed commas, misuse punctuation between clauses, or place punctuation where it interrupts the sentence. Question 20. Pick the sentence that uses standard English correctly for review set 14. Option A. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and me. Option B. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and I. Option C. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and myself. Option D. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and mine. The correct answer is option A. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and me. Standard usage requires correct pronoun case, verb form, and count word agreement. The incorrect choices use non-standard pronouns, mismatched verbs, or less/fewer incorrectly. Question 21. Choose the best transition for the blank. The learner mastered fractions quickly. Blank, percentages required extra practice. For review set 14, option A. Therefore. Option B. However. Option C. For instance. Option D. In the same way. The correct answer is option B. However. The transition must match the logical relationship between the ideas, such as contrast, sequence, or cause and effect. The other choices signal relationships that do not fit the sentence. Question 22. Choose the most concise revision of this sentence. There are many students who benefit from reviewing missed questions. For review set 14. Option A. There are reviewing missed questions from many students who benefit. Option B. Many students, who are many, benefit from missed questions reviewing. Option C. Many students benefit from reviewing missed questions. Option D. Reviewing missed questions are benefited by many students. The correct answer is option C. Many students benefit from reviewing missed questions. A concise revision removes unnecessary words while preserving the original meaning. The incorrect choices are awkward, wordy, grammatically flawed, or less clear than the original. Question 23. Using common medical word parts, what does hypotension most likely mean for review set 14? Option A, high blood pressure. Option B, rapid heart rate. Option C, excessive thirst. Option D, low blood pressure. The correct answer is option D, low blood pressure. The word parts in hypotension point to low blood pressure. The other choices use different roots, prefixes, or suffix meanings and do not match the term. Question 24. Identify the organ that filters blood to form urine for review set 14. Option A, kidney. Option B, stomach. Option C, the lung. Option D, pancreas. The correct answer is option A, kidney. The kidneys filter blood, regulate fluid balance, and produce urine. The stomach digests food, the lungs exchange gases, and the pancreas produces digestive enzymes and hormones. Question 25. A hypothesis predicts that spaced practice will improve retention. What should the study measure for review set 14? Option A, the color of the notebook. Option B, retention after practice. Option C, the number of chairs in the room. Option D, the brand of pencil used. The correct answer is option B, retention after practice. The dependent outcome should match the prediction, so retention after practice must be measured. The other choices do not test whether spaced practice affects learning.